capture app for graphic styles. Creatives often want to replicate a particular graphic style from inspirational images on the web. However, this is usually a difficult task since they are raster images and contain no information on how to recreate that similar style. Taking inspiration from deep learning for object identification, we provide a one-click method for creatives to extract graphic styles from images and reapply them to their own artwork. In this example, you can see how a shadow is detected from the image that was saved from the web. You also see additional details about the shadow. Now you can simply copy the style and bring it into an app like Adobe Illustrator and apply it to your own artwork by pasting into the Drop Shadow dialog.